So dentistry as a profession, what it is exactly?
ऐसा बोलते हैं कि अरे एमबीबीएस में तो हम सब कुछ करते हैं, ईएनटी में आप क्या करते हो, सिर्फ मुंह खोल के ही तो देखते हो।
ऐसे कौन से मिथ आपने सुने थे बीडीएस के बारे में जो अभी रॉन्ग निकले थे?
अरे दांत का सफाई कराने से दांत घिस जाते हैं, दांत निकलवाओगे तो आंखों से अंधे हो जाओगे, ज्यादा ब्रश करोगे तो आपके दांत में सेंसिटिविटी आ जाएगी।
तो विजडम टूथ जो होता है अगर उसे निकालेंगे तो विजडम चला जाएगा। डेंटिस्ट्री करने के बाद व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ करियर ऑप्शन?
आप जिससे भी पूछोगे कि यार तुम्हें बीडीएस के बाद क्या करना है, ओह आई वांट टू बी अ ओरल सर्जन। गांव के हमारे जो डॉक्टर हैं उन्होंने बताया कि अगर हम नेल पेंट लगाएंगे तो वो जो झंझनाहट हो रहा है, दर्द हो रहा है, नेल पेंट लाके ठंडक पहुंचेगा। आई वाज लाइक दिस इज टू मच।
व्हाई देयर इज अ कंसर्न कि लोग डेंटिस्ट को डॉक्टर नहीं बोलना चाहते हैं?
I think the people those who are saying कि हम इनको डॉक्टर हैं, they are the foolish. They are not knowing that it's a medical degree. कि सिर्फ 50 रुपए में दांत निकाल देना, RCT रूट कैनाल ट्रीटमेंट सिर्फ 800 रुपए में कर देना।
एमबीबीएस के बारे में बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल है इंटरनेट पे, लेकिन बीडीएस की बात करें तो इतनी ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल नहीं है। इसलिए मैंने इस पॉडकास्ट में डॉक्टर मनु के साथ बैठ के बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस का डिस्कशन किया। पहली चीज़ ये कि अगर आप एज अ स्टूडेंट हैं, बीडीएस ऑप्ट करते हैं तो आपका करियर क्या है, क्या हम करियर एक्चुअली ग्रो कर सकते हैं। पेरेंट्स के जो दिमाग में क्वेश्चन होता है कि बीडीएस का जो डॉक्टर है वो पैसा कब से कमाने लगते हैं, कितना खर्चा आता है हमारी एजुकेशन में, हमारी पढ़ाई कैसी होती है, और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ हमारी लाइफ कैसी होती है, हम किस तरीके के पेशेंट से मिलते हैं और किस तरीके का काम हम करते हैं। और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़, क्या हमें ब्रश 2 बार करना चाहिए, 3 बार करना चाहिए या 1 बार करना चाहिए। ये सारे क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आपको इस पॉडकास्ट पे मिल जाएगी। हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं अविनाश एंड टुडे आई हैव विद मी डॉक्टर मनु। एंड उन्हें हमारे चैनल पे लाने का कारण ही ये था कि काफ़ी सारे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ मैंने देखा है सिर्फ और सिर्फ एमबीबीएस करते हैं। वो नीट के बाद उनके लिए एमबीबीएस के अलावा कोई भी ऑप्शन नहीं होता है। सो वाई शी इज़ हियर, शी इज़ अ डेंटिस्ट एंड शी विल टेल अस कि जो बीडीएस की जो स्ट्रीम है, एक्चुअली जो सब्जेक्ट बोल सकते हैं हम, एक तरीके से कोर्स बोल सकते हैं या डिग्री बोल सकते हैं, क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है इसका, करियर ग्रोथ क्या कर सकते हैं, और स्पेशली अगर हमें एमबीबीएस नहीं मिलता तो क्या ये एक ऑल्टरनेटिव करियर ऑप्शन हो सकता है। सो वेलकम डॉक्टर मनु, प्लीज टेल अस अबाउट योरसेल्फ।
Well, my name is Dr. Manu Kulshrestha, and I have completed my Bachelor of Dental Surgery from People's Dental Academy in 2018. And after that, yeah, I'm working, and I have worked clinically as well. And then after that, I completed my Master's in Public Health as well. And so, yes, I'm working as a faculty in Public Health Dentistry Department.
ओके,
now, yeah.
ऑसम। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वेरी बेसिक।
Yeah.
आपने अपना 12th किया, बायो लिया होगा आपने, तो
Yeah.
यू वर एमिंग समथिंग कि मुझे कुछ करना चाहिए, है ना। फिर आपने एग्जाम दिया, लाइक यू टोल्ड अस कि उस टाइम पे नीट एग्जाम नहीं होता था, उस टाइम पे पीएमटी का
PMT,
एग्जाम हुआ करता
yes,
था।
yes.
देन हाउ यू एंडेड अप इनटू डेंटिस्ट्री, और आई वुड से डेंटल स्ट्रीम, कंपेयर टू गोइंग इनटू एमबीबीएस, बिकॉज यू वर एस्पायरिंग टू बिकम एन एमबीबीएस ग्रेजुएट।
100%. Okay. So basically, I took a 3 drop,
Okay.
right? And first drop was like, you know, it was just like it's that I was totally new to it, right? Not aware of the PMT preparation and all everything. So I began with my 12th. I choose this biology, right? And our time it was the PMT, not now NEET UG, NEET PG. And it was a tough, although like it was a very tough on that time. And in a first preparation I was aiming to get the MBBS this
Okay.
college, but somehow somewhere I lagged behind. I couldn't able to get it. So I start my coaching from Bhopal.
Okay.
Right, on that time in the year of 2007 or 8, I think Tripti Agarwal classes were going on. So I took my coaching from there, and I cracked the exam as well. So basically my schooling is from the Punjab,
Okay.
a different part of the Punjab, not a particular single place. It's from Jalandhar, it's from Ludhiana, Chandigarh, Bhatinda, and last from the Shri Ganganagar. It's in between the border of Pakistan, Punjab, and Rajasthan.
Okay.
So I did my 11th and 12th from there, and somehow somewhere my father got transferred to here, and so yeah, then I went back, and then I start preparation again in Chandigarh for this PMT again. And meanwhile, many of my friends were doing BSc. They said, "Ki yaar, you know, you're just wasting your time. At least we should have, we should carry a second option as well, कि अगर कल को हमारा इसमें नहीं होता तो ये हमारा अगर ग्रेजुएशन चल रहा है तो I can we can continue, somewhere for this civil services. So many of my friends, they took admission in BA honors, being a medical. They said we want to crack IAS and this and all, MPPSC, UPSC, this all state-wise. So I got an interest, so I took admission in BSc in life science, because life science and the environment. So I was very keen, and I really love to study about environment. So I was doing this BSc side by side. I was doing my coaching as well. So on that time, I cracked my Himachal PMT.
Okay.
So I got the admission in Solan. It's a I guess 50 kilometer before Shimla. So it's a city of mushroom. It's a very beautiful city. And that was a golden opportunity which I got when I cracked this Himachal PMT. But because of my mother health, I couldn't be able to continue that college.
So that was also MBBS?
No, that was dentistry.
Okay, that was dentistry. Fine.
A very beautiful college. I mean, very, 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 very educated faculties. And the view was good. Hilly area, snow and all, everything, mountains. And but I told you my mother was not well, so I have to just drop this idea. Then I came back to Bhopal. Then again I took the not a drop, but somehow somewhere I was now like knowing on that time I was knowing about dentistry. कि okay ये branches होता है, ऐसा subjects होता है, because 6 months I have completed of my first year in Himachal. So I came back. So one of our family dentist, he has given me the his opinion and suggestion instead of going for again MBBS, because now the thing is that being a general category, you have to give the donation if you want to come in the private. So I said no, I don't want to go with the donations and all, so let's go with the clear exam. So he said on that time, during our time, there was the 2 PMT exam used to go for. One is for the government and for the private as well, but there was a 50-50% quota. 50% for the government, 50% for the private. And one was the MP DMET. It was state-wise, like UP DMET, Punjab DMET, this Himachal DMET. DMET is basically only for the private colleges, not for the government. So I cracked that. I have given that exam. My rank was under 500. So like my rank was 300.
Okay.
So in the first counseling, in the very first counseling, on that time, the people were like, People's College was on the
top horizon.
Yeah, you can say. So everybody wants to take, People's is such a good college, such a good university. They have their own university, because when I took the admission, I think many of the dental colleges were affiliated to Barkatullah University. And as I get to know, Barkatullah University is worst. So many students want to go to the People's because of their own university. So many of my colleagues as well, they suggest me go for People University if you're getting in the first round of counseling. So yeah, I opt People's. So there's 2 colleges in People's. One is the old, one is the new. So I choose the new one, People's Dental Academy, and the second is People College of Dental Science and Research Sciences. So I got admission in 2013. So I start again my dentistry in 2013, and I completed my complete dentistry in 2018 with the internship, right? And so many struggle I have faced during my dentistry. It's not a thing that the things were smooth, but yes, I was always having the interest. But my aim was not having, after my dentistry, I want to open my clinic or something like that, and then or I will work in some university or college or like that. So I always aim, after completing my dentistry, I want to move out of India.
Okay.
And I don't want to work here, not at all, in India.
What it like मतलब dentistry में ऐसा क्या है profession, like what kind of a profession that is, because lot of students MBBS का उन्हें पता है like they have to treat patients. अब dentistry का what I believe is coming from a non-doctor family, I believe dentistry का जो एक common notion है वो ये है कि आपके दांतों में अगर कुछ गड़बड़ होती है तो आपको दांत चेक कराने, that's it. So dentistry as a profession, what it is exactly?
Good question. Okay, so dentistry itself is a very huge, right? It's a very huge with so many branches. We have so many specialized branches in this. So MBBS, I won't relate this dentistry with the MBBS. It's
Okay.
totally, it's different as well, but not different.
अच्छा
सो ऐसा बोलते हैं कि अरे MBBS में तो हम सब कुछ करते हैं, ENT में आप क्या करते हो, सिर्फ मुंह खोल के ही तो देखते हो, तो हाँ आप डॉक्टर थोड़ी ना हुए, आप तो बस दांत बत्ती सी बनाते हो.
ओके
This is the layman language, right? Because when I was doing many of MBBS, my friends, those who got MBBS, they used to say, yeah, MBBS, we study whole anatomy of a human body. You people are just studying head, neck, and that's it, nothing else. मैंने कहा head, neck. So the basic thing, head, we are studying ENT. Now I think during our time, Dental Council of India has given the authority that dentists can also operate the ENT.
अच्छा
Ear, nose, throat as well. They can go for the surgery, they can operate, they can advise patient, medication. So basically, I never compare MBBS. I know MBBS is MBBS. I feel like I'm a dentist, I'm a doctor, so I have my own, my own personality in this field. I can't compare myself, आपकी MBBS surgeon हो, cardiologist हो, ये हो या वो हो. So dentistry, but obviously एक MBBS वाले को भी dentist के पास ही आना पड़ता है. There are many of my friends, they keep on asking, यार दांत में दर्द हो रहा है. मैंने कहा अच्छा, you are the one who was saying कि we are MBBS, we are doing MBBS. There was some ego clashes on that time, and now you are coming to me and asking me कि यार दांत में दर्द हो रहा है, क्या करना है, पीछे की दाढ़ में ये हो रहा है. मैंने कहा दाढ़ में दर्द हो रहा है. मैंने कहा एक काम करो, आ जाओ, I will just extract that. So they were like, no, you just tell me the medication. So this is how. So all MBBS also has to go to the dentist, right? So dentistry, it's a very good, very good, very good. It's a very good branch. Like the person who is having interest, they can do, they can go beyond. Like I would say कि they can achieve whatever they want in dentistry. डेंटिस्ट्री का एक वो बना हुआ है कि यार MBBS के बाद डेंटिस्ट्री, डेंटिस्ट तो ऐसे ही है, किसी को भी एडमिशन मिल जाता है.
ओके
It's nothing like that. डेंटिस्ट्री में जब आप आते हो, we go through with all the clinical equivalent to the MBBS. MBBS का फर्स्ट ईयर का जो सिलेबस होता है वो ही हमारे भी सब्जेक्ट्स रहते हैं, बायोकेमिस्ट्री, फिजियोलॉजी, anatomy. The only thing is that we are not going for the whole body anatomy, but we are going for the head, neck, right? So in which we are covering whole entire head, in which we are covering our nose and ear. We are going deeply with that, right? And somehow somewhere, like people can also go for the specialize in ENT as well.
अच्छा
In future if they want. Related to with the help of oral surgeon, they can go with that. So I would suggest student, those who are having confusion कि भाई MBBS और BDS में क्या difference है. हाँ, ये कह सकते हैं कि इमरजेंसी नहीं आता है. You have a complete family time, your own time as well, कि आप मॉर्निंग में जाना, शाम को आपको क्लिनिक में, अगर आप क्लिनिक हो तो मॉर्निंग में आपने क्लिनिक खोला, शाम को खोला, इस टाइम के बाद यू आर फ्री, देयर इज नो इमरजेंसी कॉल, राइट? बट if you're MBBS, but obvious you have to be on call. But it's nothing like that. Being a dentist, मेरे को भी मेरा relative, my cousins, my friends, they call me, they text me, they WhatsApp me कि यार ये problem है. So we are also on call, on chat कि अच्छा ठीक है, ये दिक्कत है, ये problem है. I remember one of my relative, they called me around 11:50 from Gujarat, and they asked me कि कि दी ऐसा ऐसा करके बहुत दर्द हो रहा है, क्या करे, कुछ खाते नहीं बन रहा, मुंह बंद नहीं हो रहा है ना. उनका कल दाढ़ पूरा उसके कारण सूज गया है because of that last molar. So I suggest, okay, अभी तो आइस पैक करो, अभी मैं मेडिकेशन जो भी है मेडिसिन आपको मैं रेफर कर देती हूँ, अगर मिल जाता है इट्स वेल एंड गुड, नहीं मिलता तो कल मॉर्निंग में एक बार इसका एक्सरे करा के जस्ट सेंड मी, है ना, और यू सेंड मी द पिक्चर. सो सी, इट्स नथिंग लाइक दैट कि डेंटिस्ट आर जस्ट कि उनको तो बस सुबह से शाम बैठना है, उनके लिए तो कोई काम नहीं है. वी हैव द वर्क. आई हैव माई पेरेंट्स, उनको तो रात में भी दिक्कत होती है, पूछते यार तुम डेंटिस्ट हो, एटलीस्ट तुम हमको हमारा ट्रीटमेंट नहीं कर सकते, बताओ अभी अभी दवाई बताओ कौन सी खा ले. तो आई हैव टू हेल्प माई पेरेंट्स, माई फैमिली.
मतलब वन स्ट्रगल और आई वांट टू सी इसकी, लाइक अब आप पढ़ रहे हो स्टूडेंट्स के साथ, दे हैव डन MBBS, जो MBBS कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे, समवन इज ग्रेजुएटिंग, समवन न्यू इज कमिंग MBBS, आप डेंटिस्ट हो, मतलब यू आर स्टडिंग BDS. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग यू हैव फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विद दैट? सेकेंडली, in terms of study wise, so like how do you differentiate कि अच्छा ठीक है मैं वो MBBS कर रहा है, मैं डेंटिस्ट्री कर रहा हूँ, मतलब because you are a student right now, आपको you don't know कि exactly हम क्या कर सकते हैं, what is my potential, because you're still in the learning phase. So how do you suggest कि students can cope up with that situation कि मेरा दोस्त MBBS कर रहा है, मैं BDS कर रही हूँ?
So, if you are asking me this question personally, so my opinion is totally different.
Okay.
Because once I entered to the dentistry, so now like when I entered in dentistry, I was totally cleared. Now I have to be a dentist.
Okay.
So I have to stay away from MBBS thoughts and all. Ki MBBS is different, dentist different.
Mm-hmm.
I have never compared these two things. Ki my friends are doing MBBS, they are different. Dentistry, I'm doing dentistry, it is different. Yes, it is different, but I never compared. So I always suggest to the students, if you have entered to this field or any field in medical, please don't, mix
Compare it, yes.
and compare yourself with other higher degrees like MBBS. If some students are doing Ayurvedic, homeopathic, and then you're comparing yourself with the dentist or the MBBS, you can't. You can't do that because every this medical stream is totally different. Not different, they are correlate to each other, but you can't compare, right? So I have never compared. I always ask students, don't compare, because dentistry itself is a very huge branch and you have to study a lot in that, and there are so many specialization as well.
So fine, so I got it. अब एक क्वेश्चन पेरेंट्स की साइड से आता है कि ठीक है, मैं MBBS अपने बच्चे को कराता हूँ, तो MBBS करने के बाद उसके पास एक लाइसेंस मिल जाता है, वो अपना क्लिनिक खोल सकता है, प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट कर सकता है, सारी चीज़ें. डेंटिस्ट्री का व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन? सो लाइक वंस आई बिकम अ डेंटिस्ट, मतलब मैं डेंटिस्ट की पूरी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करता हूँ, व्हेन विल आई गेट स्टेबल, मतलब मेरी एक स्टेबल इनकम जनरेट होने लगती है जस्ट आफ्टर डूइंग BDS, नॉट गोइंग फॉर द हायर एजुकेशन राइट नाउ?
Okay. So basically, I always see there are the two type of students. Like after completing their BDS, there are some few students like those who go to the different stream.
Okay.
And there are the some students those who want to continue this dentistry.
Okay.
So there's nothing harm going to some different stream. So if you talk about dentistry ki how they can earn money only with the BDS, it's all depend on the student. See,
Okay.
I will always say ki if student is having the interest ki well, let me tell you one thing ki dentistry is having the 9 specialized branches. So from the day one of our education like BDS, so we are aware ki we have the 9 branches. In final year we have to give exam for this all 9 branches, and after that the student get interest, once the student pass final year, 9 branches, like there are the prosthodontist, orthodontic, and oral surgery, public health dentistry, and then there is oral medicine and radiology. So why these 9 branches are there? Same like the MBBS student has also study about cardio, gynae, pulmonary medicine. So they also study because they generate their interest ki okay, now we have completed our degree, now we have the interest in this and this, right? So when I done my BDS, completed my BDS, I was having interest in oral surgery.
Okay.
Surgery is just equivalent to the surgeon, MBBS surgeon or specialized surgeon. So because there are the trauma cases.
Okay.
So it's nothing like that. Student has to only pursue the MDS, then only they can earn. That's what I'm saying. Ki they have to just create that interest while studying during their graduation. Then they get to know ki okay, we have interest in this. So once we complete this, if we open our clinic, I can do this thing confidently. I can do the wire bending for the ortho treatment. I can do the this prosthodontist for the denture. I can do the root canal treatment with this endo branch. I can do the impaction, oral surgery. With the help of oral surgery, I can go with the trauma cases as well. So that how like a student can earn, and the student should know ki what interest they have if they're opening clinic. So yes, they can earn money very well if they have good practice, good clinical hand, and good theory they have.
So basically, once you enter in the class of dentistry, forget about everything which is happening outside.
Yeah.
कौन MBBS कर रहा है, कौन आयुष कर रहा है, जो भी, you are a dentist now, है ना? So be passionate about it, which I believe is one of the true factor.
Yes, definitely.
Like you should be passionate about it, and you will obviously explore something, and obviously faculties are there, they have experience, and obviously किसी भी शहर में आपको कॉलेज मिला है, वहाँ पे डेंटिस्ट होते ही आप उनसे जाके बात कर सकते हो, they will be able to clear a lot of doubts. Now next question which a student has asked कि ऐसे कौन से मिथ आपने सुने थे BDS के बारे में जो अभी रॉन्ग निकले हैं, मतलब पढ़ने के बाद you found okay अच्छा यार ये तो गलत है.
Yes, there are so many myths.
Hmm.
Like सुने नहीं थे,
Okay.
आस पास नेबर के जो रहते थे, और in my relative as well,
Hmm.
they keep on saying, अरे दांत का साफ सफाई कराने से दांत घिस जाते हैं,
अच्छा.
दांत निकलवाओगे तो आंखों से अंधे हो जाओगे,
Hmm.
राइट? ज्यादा ब्रश करोगे तो आपके दांत में सेंसिटिविटी आ जाएगी. दिस इज ऑल मिथ.
Okay.
आई मस्ट से दिस इज ऑल मिथ.
Hmm.
एंड आई डोंट नो कि ये ज्ञान कहाँ से आता है लोगों को, एंड और ये कब खत्म होगा. स्टिल दिस थिंग इज ऑन. अभी भी लोग यही होते हैं, जब हमारे पास पेशेंट आते हैं वो यही बोलते हैं कि मैडम आपने दांत सफाई का तो बोल दिया है, हमारे दांत हिलने लगेंगे क्योंकि हिलते हैं, लोगों ने हमें बताया कि दांत हिलते हैं, आप दांत निकाल रहे हो तो हम आंखों से अंधे हो जाएंगे. मैंने कहा ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. वो दांत आपको, अगर अकल दाढ़ आपकी समस्या दे रही है तो मुझे निकालना ही पड़ेगा ना. आई कांट से दिस थिंग कि आपका मैं दांत निकालूं तो आप अंधे हो जाओगे. मैंने कहा ये आप जहाँ से ज्ञान लेकर आए प्लीज वो वहीं पर रहने दीजिए. सो या देयर आर सो मेनी मिथ्स.
तो विजडम टूथ जो होता है अगर उससे निकालेंगे तो विजडम चला जाएगा.
No, 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 not at all. Nothing like that.
ओके.
Yeah.
सो अब जैसे एमबीबीएस एक स्टूडेंट लाइक वन स्टूडेंट आज की एमबीबीएस के बाद इस सर्विस होती है जैसे ईएनटी हो गया, गायनेक बन सकता है कोई. सो डेंटिस्ट्री करने के बाद या फिर डेंटिस्ट बनने के बाद व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ करियर ऑप्शंस दे हैव इफ दे वांट टू कंटिन्यू स्टडी एंड दे वांट टू बिकम अ मोर स्पेशलिस्ट पर्सन डेंटिस्ट आई वुड से.
Okay. So, as I told you that dentistry is having the 9 branches. So during our undergraduate, we go through with this 9 branches, and once we cleared, we get to know ki, oh, we are specialized in this. I have the interest in this branch. So there are the 9 branches, right?
So specifically if you can mention कि क्या branches हैं वो, because if I'm an MBBS मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि like I am a specialist, मैं heart specialist, so I understand what is heart, I understand what are lungs, I understand what is liver. Dentistry में how can I understand कि these are the different branches?
Okay, so I begin with oral medicine and radiology. So oral medicine and radiology is basically, it's the first department where we refer a patient for the basic जनरल चेकअप कि उसके दांत में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, हम समझते हैं, हिस्ट्री लेते हैं, एंड देन वी टेक अ रेडियोग्राफ, राइट? सो दिस ब्रांच इज फॉर द जनरल checkup and the radiograph, where students learn about the all the radios, this radiograph, that how we have to take the radiograph of the and again there is a specialization in radiograph. There is a CBCT as well, where we take a whole x-ray of the whole complete face, right? So after that there is the public health dentistry.
Okay.
This is the branch where we aware to the patients, where we conduct the camps, where we meet so many rural urban patients, patients those who are not aware of the things. We go and educate and motivate them, and it's a branch where the student can go for the research as well, and with the help of this they can go for some government contractual job as well. And then there is oral surgery. Oral surgery is totally equivalent to the surgeon.
Okay.
And yes, in this branch they have to be day and night, they have to be available, right? They can go with the big hospitals, they can join, right? And it's a very interesting branch and very good branch. And mostly BDS student, आप जिससे भी पूछोगे कि यार तुम्हें BDS के बाद क्या करना है, oh I want to be a oral surgeon. मतलब 100 students are there, they always say मैम हमको तो oral surgery का ही branch चाहिए, we will study hard, NEET PG हम निकाल के oral surgery करेंगे. So because उनको ये लगता है, as you said कि they are the students की जिनका MBBS dream होता है, MBBS नहीं हो पाता है, तो उनको लगता है कि हम इस branch में आके we can fulfill our dream, right? And after that there is a endodontist, जहाँ पे हम root canal treatment करते हैं, cavity filling करते हैं, right? And then there is a prosthodontist where we implant the tooth, right? Where we fix a single tooth, where we fix the dentures, right? And then there's the branch called orthodontist, where we do the wire treatment with the wire for the proper alignment of the teeth, right? And then there is the branch perio, where we go for the gum problems, right? And where we do the flap surgeries, it means that the gum surgeries and all. And then there is oral path, where we just go for sample testings and all. So this all are the branches.
Okay, so you have a lot of scope if you pursue BDS.
Definitely.
And oral surgeon is something which everybody aspire to be.
Yeah, the students, those who have not fulfilled their dream in MBBS, so they can fulfill here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have told about student. Tell us about the patient. Like एक बहुत ही weird patient का like you can share the experience.
Yes, definitely. When I was doing my internship, um, I interacted with one patient. She was somewhere from rural area, and she approached. I was posted in oral medicine and radiology, where I have to take the case history of that lady. She came to me with the complaint that I have the pain in my lower back tooth, and it's since from last 2 months. Right? I said okay, and she was complaining about swelling as well. And when I asked her कि आप अपना मुंह खोलिए, and then I start checking with the instruments, with the mouth mirror and the probe, I saw that on her lower back, that molar tooth, she has put it some nail print, red color का. I thought कि blood आ रहा है करके. I asked कि आपके खून आ रहा है क्या पीछे? She was like नहीं नहीं खून नहीं आ रहा है. तो मैंने कहा नहीं खून आ रहा है ये. Let me check with that cotton. तो she was like कि नहीं खून नहीं है मैडम, हमने ना नेल प्रिंट लगा लिया था. मैंने कहा नेल प्रिंट लगा लिया था. मेरे को क्यों? तो शी वाज लाइक कि हमको गांव में बताया गया, गांव के हमारे जो डॉक्टर हैं उन्होंने बताया कि अगर हम नेल प्रिंट लगाएंगे तो वो जो झंझनाहट हो रहा है, दर्द हो रहा है, नेल प्रिंट लगा के ठंडक पहुंचेगा. I was like, this is too much. So, कुछ नहीं. At last I told her कि आपके दांत का कुछ नहीं हो सकता, at last को निकालना पड़ेगा. तो फिर उसमें भी अगेन देन शी सेड कि नहीं आंखों से हम अंधे हो जाएंगे, मेरा अभी 4 साल का बच्चा है करके. तो कुछ नहीं, फिर उनको समझाया, उनका थोड़ा, क्योंकि वी इंटरेक्ट विद सो मेनी पेशेंट्स जहाँ पे, एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज दिस कि India really need education for this oral health, because अर्बन तो फिर भी ठीक है, ठीक है. मैं नहीं कहूँगी कि 100% दे आर टोटली अवेयर, दे आर गोइंग टू द डेंटिस्ट. हर घर में हर कोई डॉक्टर बन जाता है दिस ईयर अवेयर, चाहे वो एक फिजिशियन हो, चाहे वो डेंटिस्ट हो, या कोई भी हो, विच इज़ रॉन्ग व्हाट आई विल से. सो we always do the counseling for such patients, those who are coming, those who are not aware. We make them understand ऐसा नहीं है, we have to go with the procedure, this is the procedure, right? So yeah, that's a weird case I ever done in my whole life of dentistry.
Okay, so next question is like interesting question. क्या डेंटिस्ट को डॉक्टर बोल सकते हैं?
Oh yes, definitely, why not?
So why there is a concern कि लोग डेंटिस्ट को डॉक्टर नहीं बोलना चाहते in the first place?
I think the people, those who are saying कि हम इनको डॉक्टर हैं, they are the foolish. They are not knowing that it's a medical degree, right? Because it's authorized from the Dental Council of India. We also registered ourselves like our MBBS. We also got a license. Then only we are practicing. So we are a registered doctor. So we can't say that dentist को हमें डॉक्टर नहीं बोलना. We are the doctor.
Okay.
Dentist is the second.
Okay. So ultimately we can call you guys doctor because you are doing medical science.
Yes, definitely. We are studying whole. We are spending 5 years. Come on, we are treating patients.
Okay, next question is, if someone met with an accident और उसका पूरा jaw टूट गया, तो उसका treatment dentist करता है कोई और करता है? Like again in the case jaw टूट गया उसका.
Definitely dentist करता है. And as I told you, oral surgery is totally equivalent to surgeon, and oral surgery is a branch where a doctor, oral surgeon, a dentist you say, or oral surgeon you say, who treat accidental cases, who just fixed your jaws, either you got a fracture with the mandible or the maxilla, like that.
Okay, so मतलब ultimately they can treat, but my question is कि MBBS is collectively whole body. So why we have a separate dentistry stream, or I would say degree, कि हम सिर्फ वहाँ पे dental care के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं, जहाँ की like MBBS में like they go with the basic education MBBS में, then they become out a specialist कि मैं heart का specialist हूँ या मैं liver specialist हूँ. So why they did not merge dentistry in the MBBS only?
They can't merge. First of all, they can't merge. Like I can't ask cardiologist to treat my root canal treatment कि I have this problem, can you treat that? That person cannot treat, no. So same way that got separated, so that dentists should study about the teeth and our oral health, everything, and only a dentist can do that, not other. We can't compare.
No, obviously I got it.
हाँ.
But let's say, okay, I'll give you an example. So what happens in engineering, you have branches divided. So if someone is geeky, so they go for computer science, someone goes for mechanical, someone goes for civil. So from day one, they are studying about the faculties are from that background. जो भी guest faculties, they are interacting with people. The seniors are from that background. So they get the learning from day one. अब MBBS में you are learning about general education about it. Like if someone wants to become a heart specialist, I don't think from day one they are studying about only heart. They have to study about everything in the body. So what is the reason behind that in that case?
So basically in dentistry also, we also go with the basic, which is totally, as I told you, it's equivalent to the MBBS student, Ayurvedic, homeopathic, physiotherapy, right? So first year is totally same, right? In anatomy only we study about, dentist only study for head, neck, because a dentist can only specialize with this, you know, with the your head, neck, and the ENT. ENT, there's a specialization after MBBS as well, but as I told you, DCI has already approved a dentist can also treat a ENT, because when we are studying about the jaws, when we are studying about the temporomandibular joint, so we can, which is just close to our ear, so we can go with the ear treatment and the ear surgeries as well. So there are the few ENT specialists, those who called, you know, oral surgeon for the treatment, for the surgery of this ear. So I will say कि we can't say कि क्यों सिर्फ dentist ही क्यों, और but because we are also aware कि like as I told you, there are the few branches in dentistry, so that branches is totally make us understand कि okay, this is our specialization, we can only do this thing, right? तो सेम लाइक विद द MBBS में अगर स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ रहे हैं पल्मोनरी मेडिसिन के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं, या यू नो ENT के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं, या यू से ऑप्थेल के लिए पढ़ रहे हैं, सो दे आर फोकस्ड. अब उसमें कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट कैन नॉट कम एंड डू द ऑप्थेल ट्रीटमेंट, ऑप्थेल पर्सन कैन नॉट गो एंड ट्रीट यू नो सर्जरी केसेस फॉर द कार्डियक. सो सेम लाइक विद द डेंटल एज वेल.
ओके नाउ एक क्वेश्चन मेरा ये भी है कि लाइक when a student, मतलब what is happening these days, a lot of students, irrespective of what stream they're choosing, they're मतलब mentally not that strong. A lot of cases, like obviously we were discussing before the podcast, like if someone takes their life, a lot of things happen. So as a student, if I am placed in a particular college, मैं वहाँ पे dentistry पढ़ रहा हूँ, and how can I make sure that I am mentally stable so that I can focus on my career, I can focus on what I have to become rather than all, because it is very tedious, क्योंकि मुझे पढ़ाई भी करना है, मुझे अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में भी सोचना है, एंड ऑब्वियसली मेरे अंदर एक स्टिग्मा लग गया है कि यू आर अ डेंटिस्ट और सोसाइटी डज नॉट ट्रीट मी वेरी वेल. सो हाउ कैन आई ब्रेक दैट ऑल मेंटल प्रेशर एंड आई कैन फोकस ऑन द करियर सो दैट आई कैन ग्रो माई सेल्फ?
Okay, so for this I must say कि first of all the student, those who are opting this dentistry, from day one they should clear their thought. Now they have entered to this stream, and no matter what they have to just focus and they have to struggle hard, no matter what, right? Either they are the branches, either they want to go with the opting only one branch further with their higher studies and they want to become a specialized, or either with the dentistry. And there's a competition a lot, right? You also know that there are so many doctors, MBBS doctors as well, dentists as well, right? And there are some doctors, those who are not a registered licensed doctor, but still they are treating patients, right? So ये हम लोग भी फेस करते हैं. मेरे काफ़ी स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने क्लिनिक डाला हुआ है, तो ये बोलते हैं कि मैम रेलवे स्टेशन के पास जाओ तो एक सूटकेस लेके खड़े रहते हैं क्वैक्स, राइट? एंड जो कि रजिस्टर्ड नहीं है, तो हमें कभी कभी लगता है वो ऐसा कर रहे हैं. भोपाल के ओल्ड सिटी में जाओ, दे आर फ्यू डेंटिस्ट, राइट, दोज हु आर ट्रीटिंग कि सिर्फ 50 रुपये में दांत निकाल देना, RCT रूट कैनाल ट्रीटमेंट सिर्फ 800 रुपये में कर देना. तो जो बच्चा अच्छे कॉलेज से पढ़ के निकल रहा है ना, उसके लिए कंपटीशन आ रहा है. बट मैं ये कहूँगी कि वो इन सब चीज़ों से आप यू नो अपने आप को ये नहीं सोच सकते कि यार इतना कंपटीशन है, वो ऐसा कर रहा है तो मैं भी अपना स्टैंडर्ड डिग्रेड करके मैं भी अपने आप को उसमें ले आता हूँ उस कैटेगरी में. आई शुड ऑल्सो डू दैट. आई विल नेवर सजेस्ट. आपका जो एक स्टैंडर्ड है, आपकी जो एक पर्सनैलिटी है, इमेज है आपकी मार्केट में या कॉलेज में, आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में या आपके रिलेटिव में, वो आप उसको मेंटेन करके रखो. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई ऑलवेज से कि नेवर एवर केयर अबाउट अदर्स व्हाट दे आर सेइंग इट. इफ यू आर फोकस्ड नो मैटर व्हाट, आप अच्छा ही करते जाओगे क्योंकि डेंटिस्ट इट्स रियली वेरी गुड ब्रांच.
यस एग्जैक्टली. नाउ कमिंग टू द डॉक्टर साइड ऑफ इट, कि मुझे बचपन से यही चीज़ सिखाई गई है कि लाइक इफ यू वांट टू केयर ऑफ, मतलब डेंटल केयर करना है तो सिर्फ ब्रश करो, दैट्स इट. यू डोंट हैव टू डू एनीथिंग एल्स. सो नाउ आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम यू, एंड प्लस आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पे फॉर द कंसल्टेशन आल्सो, कि व्हाट इज द राइट, मतलब केयर मुझे कैसी करनी चाहिए सो दैट इट डज नॉट बिकम अ ह्यूज इशू फॉर मी लेटर इन लाइफ.
Okay. So I begin with the brushing, right? And yes, definitely brush हमें करना ही चाहिए.
So it's one time a day or two time a day or three time a day?
Twice.
Twice, okay.
One in morning, one in night before going to bed.
Okay.
Right? And secondly, after brushing, one should go with the flossing as well, which is really mandatory.
Okay.
क्योंकि क्या होता है जब हम brush करते हैं वो properly पहुंचते नहीं हैं, right? In between our, in between the teeth. We call it interdental papilla. So बीच में वो नहीं जा पाता है ब्रश, क्योंकि ब्रश से आप कितना ही करोगे आप उसको. और एक लोगों में मिथ ये भी है कि हम 5 मिनट ब्रश कर लेते हैं, बिकॉज आई वेंट विद सो मेनी कैंप्स वेयर आई इंटरेक्ट विद दी स्टूडेंट्स, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स, स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स, and some general population as well. They say, मैडम हम तो 5 मिनट क्या करते हैं, घिसते हैं और उसके बाद भी दांतों का पीलापन नहीं जा रहा है. अरे भाई घिसना नहीं है, आप सिर्फ उसको घिसते रहते हो 5 मिनट, आप साफ तो ना कर रहे हो, पेस्ट लगा लिया एंड यू आर जस्ट डूइंग दैट घिसिंग एंड दैट नॉट गोना वर्क, राइट? सो ब्रश जो है 2 मिनट करना चाहिए, ठीक है, ओनली फॉर 2 मिनट्स, नॉट मोर देन दैट. एंड सेकेंड इज फ्लॉसिंग इज वेरी वेरी मैंडेटरी, राइट? सो दैट टू पुल आउट ऑल द left out your food, whatever. And then after flossing I will suggest mouthwash, and that to be mouthwash with the antimicrobial or the fluoride, which is mandatory, and person can do twice in a day or in a single time while going to bed. A person can do the mouthwash. Then I come again with this key, they should do the tongue cleaning as well. Once in a week they can go with that, right? And after that they can go for this dental visit as well in every 6 months. So that gonna help them. They will get to know what's going on, right? Whether they have the cavity or not, or that, because many you are also aware that many people, they are not going to the dentist. Oh, dentist के पास जाना यानी कि बार बार चक्कर लगना, बार बार पैसा खर्च होना, हमें नहीं जाना है ना? तो वो चीज़ें हम फेस करते हैं, हमें मालूम पड़ता है. हम जब रिकॉल के लिए बुलाते, पेशेंट्स नहीं आते, उनको फ़ोन करो, दे लाइक मैडम सही हो गया, हमने करा लिया, उसको सही हो गया, मतलब हो गया अपने आप सही हो गया. और वो बाद में इतनी वर्स्ट कंडीशन में, कुछ पेशेंट ऐसे होते हैं कि इतनी वर्स्ट कंडीशन में आते हैं कि मतलब उनके दांत साफ करने में भी, स्केलिंग करने में भी ऐसा लगता है कि यार नहीं यार क्या है. So these are the basic things.
Okay, so last question, what is the dark side of being a dentist in India?
I must say dark side of India, you can say nowadays. Otherwise डार्क साइड में तो आई वुड से कि डेंटल का जो भी स्टैंडर्ड जो इंडिया में चल रहा है, इन मेट्रोज आई विल से इट्स गोइंग ओके, right? But if you talk about Bhopal and places in MP, it's not very much good, right? Yeah, because of there are few dentists, as I told you, there are the few dentists, those who are treating treatment in a very low price. And the student, the student who has topped the college, got the gold medal, and if they are asking 2,000 for the root canal treatment, so patients are not coming. So that's a very the student used to get very afraid कि यार हमने इतना मेहनत किया है, हमने स्पेशलाइजेशन भी कर लिया, हमने हमारा मास्टर्स इन डेंटल सर्जरी भी कर लिया, बट कंपटीशन में ऐसे लोग बैठे हैं जिसके कारण हम अपग्रेड ही नहीं कर पा रहे अपने आप को, हम मार्केट में आ ही नहीं पा रहे हैं। सो दे फील लाइक यार हमने उससे बढ़िया डेंटिस्ट्री करने की बजाय या डेंटिस्ट्री करने के बाद हमें कुछ और ऑप्ट कर लेना चाहिए था, या मतलब हमें आउट ऑफ इंडिया चले जाना चाहिए था। बट again there are the few circumstances that student cannot go out of India, तो वो यहीं practice करते हैं। तो yeah, this is a very dark side and there are some ethics as well, you know कि जैसे आपने मुझसे पूछा था कि लोगों में काफ़ी सारे मिथ हैं लेकर, तो एक वो भी एक डार्क साइड है कि आते ही नहीं है पेशेंट्स, आएंगे भी तो वो आएंगे और वो आपसे ऐसे करेंगे जैसे कि वो एक शॉपिंग करने आए हैं, कपड़ा खरीदने। अरे डॉक्टर साहब हमने सिटी में दिखाया था, वो तो वहाँ पे 200 रुपये में दांत की सफाई कर रहे हैं, आप 500 रुपये क्यों मांग रहे हो? सो दैट्स लाइक कि यार क्या है ये, लाइक हम पूरा अपना वी आर यूजिंग आवर मशीन आवर एनर्जी, है ना, हम आपको एक अच्छा बैठने का जगह दे रहे हैं, डेंटल चेयर है, वो पेशेंट कैसे कर रहा है वो हमें भी मालूम है, एंड यू आर वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट. So that's a very dark side, I
So
must
it's
say.
more like haggling with the customer.
Yeah.
More like haggling. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So let's move to the fun segment, which is a rapid fire. So
Yeah.
I'll be asking you a question, which is a random question, and you have to give the answer.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So movie or a serial or a fictional character that resembles your personality.
Repeat again.
Movie or a serial or a fictional character which resembles your personality.
Oh, I never noticed this.
Okay.
I never noticed that because I'm not very much, you know, TV holic person. I never watch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. What did you do with your first stipend? जो पहला आपको स्टाइफन मिला था, what did you do with it?
My stipend. I just saved in my account and I had given to my mom. That's it.
And what she did with that?
She saved. It's saved. If I want, she will give it to me. But I never ask.
Okay. Last question. बोला जाता है कि नीम का जो डंठल होता है उससे सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाती है डेंटिस्ट्री में. इज इट अ ट्रुथ और अ मिथ?
50-50% nowadays. Because अब कोई भी चीज़ हाइजीन नहीं रही है, एज यू आर अवेयर ऑफ इट. पेड़ पे भी लोग स्प्रे करते हैं, इतने सारा केमिकल डालते हैं, अगर आप उसको भी तोड़ोगे तो आप अपने मुंह में केमिकल ही ले जा रहे हो, राइट? until if you're not washing that and then using it. हाँ, 50% as I said you कि yes, it helps.
Okay, it helps.
Yeah, it helps.
Okay. So thank you, Dr. Manu, for this awesome conversation. I hope
you
these
so much.
students will get motivated and few of them join your college so that they can get a faculty and mentor like you.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you.